Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Hugo, and today we're going to talk about the best dividend stock for this week. As you have seen already, it's going to be AT&T. Beside the fact we are having a market volatility, the Trump and Biden debate didn't went well and didn't bring anything new for the markets, and we also have elections on our doorstep. We need to be careful where we're going to invest because the stocks can go high or can go really low. Although we're going to talk about AT&T and why you should buy this week. So stay there, let's look at the graphs. So AT&T is actually one of the stocks that I have in my portfolio since August, and I bought a little bit more cheaper than now. We have AT&T at $28.68, and we have a big sentiment of buying around 55%. I'm going more in depth now. So this is a good stock to buy because it's undervalued, and you can see this performance right here. The fair value is around $72, and we are at the moment it's 38. Beside the fact that we have a sentiment that this could go around the $33. One more thing regarding here, it's the hedge funds. So hedge funds are buying at the moment AT&T stocks, not only because of the high dividend held, which we're going to see right now. So in terms of the dividend held, we have 7.3% of dividend held annually, and quarterly they're going to pay us 62 cents for each stock that we own. This is quite good because highest dividend yield that we have for this week, and we still have 4 days to buy this stock because the ex-dividend date is going to be on the 8th. One thing that we need to be careful, we may not have 4 days, we may only have 3 days for one simple reason, because here on Finance Yahoo we only have on the 7th of October. So we need to be a bit careful with this, we may only have 3 days. We still have plenty of time, 3 days it's enough because we only need 2 days for etoro. Doing a more depth analysis, what we can see is we still have a selling sentiment on the upcoming days, but this is a good stock to buy and hold for a bit, and as soon as it go up we can sell it since this is a quarterly dividend stock, or hold forever. So in resume, even the fact that the market is in high volatility, what could happen is this can go a little bit down, but we need some funds to do some averaging afterwards. This stock is in the lows, and even if you can sell on the 2nd or 3rd month, we may keep it for a bit while if it doesn't go up. Since this is always giving a really good dividend yield, I think it's still a good stock to own for the coming months or so, because this is a really high dividend stock, and also as you can see on this graphic, it's been growing along the years, quite similar as Coca-Cola. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can receive the best stock for the next week, and also hit the like button, that will help me a lot with the algorithm. And cheers, see ya!